Good morning, students. Welcome to Bindu Dhadwal chemistry lessons. Today we'll do exemplar problems on general principles and processes of isolation of elements. In the extraction of chlorine by electrolysis of brine, oxidation of chloride ion to chlorine gas occurs. The reaction is water plus chloride ions gives hydrogen plus chlorine gas plus hydroxide ions. When copper ore is mixed with silica in a reverberatory furnace, copper matte is produced. It contains sulfides of copper 1 and iron 2. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following reactions is an example of auto reduction? So, cuprous oxide plus copper sulfide gives copper plus sulfur dioxide. Option D is the correct answer. A number of elements are available in Earth's crust, but most abundant elements are aluminium and iron. Zone refining is based on the principle that impurities are more soluble in the molten metal than in the solid metal. In the extraction of copper from its sulfide ore, the metal is formed by the reduction of cuprous oxide with copper sulfide. Brine is electrolysed by using inert electrodes. The reaction at anode is chloride ions will give electrons in preference to water because water's discharge potential becomes less because of overvoltage. In the metallurgy of aluminium, graphite anode is oxidized to carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Electrolytic refining is used to purify which of the following metals? Copper and zinc. The option A is correct. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching the metal with cyanide ions. The metal is recovered by displacement of metal by zinc metal from the complex ion. Option A is correct. Answer the questions on the basis of the figure given above. So choose the correct option of temperature at which carbon reduces iron oxide to iron and produces carbon monoxide. So the option will be D, above temperature at point A, because after point A, the carbon to carbon monoxide curve is below the iron to iron oxide curve. So the answer is option D, above temperature at point A, iron oxide is reduced to iron. Below point A, iron oxide can be reduced by carbon monoxide only because only this curve lies below the iron oxide curve. So only carbon monoxide can act as the reducing agent. So option A is the correct answer. For the reduction of iron oxide at the temperature corresponding to point D, which of the statement is correct? So at point D, the delta G value for overall reduction reaction with carbon monoxide is 0 because carbon monoxide curve intersects the iron to iron oxide curve at point D. At the temperature corresponding to which of the points in the figure above, iron oxide will be reduced to iron by coupling the reaction with carbon to carbon dioxide, carbon to carbon monoxide, and carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide curve. So we can see that at the point B and E, the curves for carbon monoxide to carbon dioxide, carbon to carbon dioxide, and carbon to carbon monoxide lie below the curve iron to iron oxide. So at these points B and E, these can be used as reducing agents to reduce iron oxide to iron. So answer is point B and E. Which of the following options are correct? Cast iron is obtained by remelting pig iron with scrapped iron and coke using hot air blast. Correct. In the extraction of silver, silver is extracted as cationic complex. Wrong, because it's extracted as anionic complex. Nickel is purified by zone refining. Wrong, because nickel is purified by vapor phase refining by Mons process. Zirconium and titanium are purified by Van Arkel method. Correct. So option A and D are the correct answers. In the extraction of aluminium by Hall-Heroult process, purified alumina is mixed with calcium fluoride 2 lower the melting point of alumina and increase the conductivity of molten mixture. Option A and B are correct. Which of the following statement is correct about the role of substances added in the froth flotation process? So collectors enhance the non-wettability of mineral particles, and by using depressants in the process, the two sulfide ores can be separated. A and C are the correct answer. In the froth flotation process, zinc sulfide and lead sulfide can be separated by adjusting the proportion of oil to water and using depressions. Option B and C are correct. Common impurities present in bauxite ore are iron oxide and silica. Option C and D. Which of the following ores can be concentrated by froth flotation? Galena, PbS, and copper pyrite, CuFeS2 are the correct options. That's all in today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe.